Mechanical keyboards are often described as clicky, thocky, light, heavy, scratchy, or smooth. But what does this mean for you? The Cherry MX switch, created in 1987, remains the most popular switch type today, used by major manufacturers worldwide. Gamers and typists have different needs. Gamers prefer keyboards that require less effort to press, while typists want more resistance to avoid accidental key presses. Black switches require more force to activate, making them perfect for gamers who need precision without fatigue. Blue switches, on the other hand, are light and easy to press, offering tactile and auditory feedback ideal for fast typists. Brown switches strike a balance, suitable for both typing and gaming, but they lack the specialization of black or blue switches. Red switches are durable and similar to blue switches but without feedback, making them better suited for gaming. When choosing a mechanical keyboard, consider your primary use, budget, comfort, compatibility, and durability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.